welcome to my channel, The Indo-French Life. My name is Shraddha, and today again I'm here for grocery shopping. And this video is for those people who come to France for the first time, and not just come to France for the first time, but they don't have much of an idea about cooking and what you should do. Remember in the last video when we were talking about accommodation, I was telling you that I will do a video for those people who can't cook and are new over here, or those who are having a job, they don't have much time to cook. So today is the grocery shopping day. In another day I'll give you short recipes which are good for amateur cooks or who don't know much about cooking, or even just short recipes. So this is Ile Eclair. I come here very less because it's very far from my house. Let's go in.
This is the ready-to-eat food aisle with sandwiches, wraps, juice, cold coffee and other microwavable items like pasta.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright.
On another aisle, we have salad made from different vegetables like carrots, cabbages, etc. Moving along, we have pudding desserts. These are 2-minute microwave meal preparations. Also, there is a wide variety of pizzas which can be warmed in an oven to get them ready. You can choose from an assortment of green leafy veggies to assemble a salad as per your taste. For topping, you can use balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. In the rotisserie section, you can buy pre-cooked chicken which can be used on any dish. There are other pre-cooked meat preps in this area. It's ideal for those people who don't have the time to properly cook meat. The bread section is vast too. You can always make a wrap or a sandwich as per your choice with dressing and sauces. A pita bread comes close to a chapati, followed by tortillas, which is also made with whole wheat, besan or maida.
Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Filled with emotion, follow the signs. Witness the
Red onions and garlic make amazing curry, but you can replace it with onion powder, garlic powder and ginger powder.
harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind.
Those who like eating tomatoes or salads, this is a very good thing you can take for salads. Is cherry tomatoes. It's just for 95 cents. You get it generally on most of the grocery stores. A box like 200 gram or 250 gram for €1.99. This you can pair it up with mozzarella cheese.
This is the frozen vegetable section with cut and packaged veggies. It makes home cooking easy. Individual vegetables along with mixed vegetables are available. Buy as per your need. This is good for people who live alone and can't finish fresh veggies before they rot. I recommend cream spinach and peas as they are versatile and can be added to any curry.
Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Filled with emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see.
It's not necessary that you buy your vegetables from a supermarket. We have provincial markets like the normal sabzi mandi wala market. There also you can buy vegetables, but this is one quick option where you can get everything together. Then we have canned preparations. We have vegetable canned preparations, bean preparation, sausage preparations. Just see through the ingredients what meat they have used. Poulet is for chicken. This again, be careful when you're seeing Swazi. Swazi is mostly pork sausages. This is another can section. This is rajma, अपना वही flageolet, चने. ये सब ना आसान होता है जब आप करी बना रहे हो. If it's easy to make curry, directly open the can and put it up. You don't have to soak it. You don't have to put it in the pressure cooker. Similarly for the lentil section. Another one is like if you really like eating fishes. This is the canned version of fish. This is another paste and sauce section. So just put it up with vegetables and cook it together. And it's rather easy cooking, Indian easy cooking. This is from a normal French grocery store. It's not an Asian store. So you can have different preparations in Asian stores as well. The cup noodle section, ramen section, sauces and other things. This is an easy herb and seasoning section. I mean, ये proper Indian masale नहीं है, but still you can actually find some Indian stuff over here like cumin. You have cardamom, coriander whole, coriander powder.
You can find tomato puree in all sorts of textures and consistencies. Some are good for making curry, while others can be simply used for pizza topping or pasta sauce. You can buy different sorts of pasta sauces separately as well.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright.
Breakfast can be easily sorted with cereals and cornflakes. From granola, oats to Rice Krispies, there's a lot to choose from. Pair it up with fruits and your choice of milk and you're good to go.
When you're closer to me, you're finding it harder to breathe.
Though butter is common for a spread for toast, for a change you can try cheese spreads with condiments like garlic and shallots, and kiri is a kid's favorite.
Love with me.
For a heavy non-veg sandwich you can choose from bacon cubes, bacon strips to chicken sausages and salami, though be careful if you don't consume pork.
So that was about it with the shopping. So I've mentioned a lot of things in this video if you have seen carefully. One particular note I would like to give for this is if you are vegan, vegetarian, or because of your religious practice do not eat pork, beef, or there is any other limitation on your food or dietary choices, then please look through the the ingredient list. Unlike India, we don't have the red or the green dot which is specified on the food packets which you usually get in India. So over here it's difficult to realize that. There's another mistake which many people do at McDonald's or Burger King or any other fast food joint is when they ask for a cheeseburger. Now cheeseburger over here means it's a beef burger with cheese on the top and whatever other dressings. So if you don't eat beef, have this in mind. It's another thing, it's your choice, whatever you want to eat, no judgment on that, but over here you have to be a little bit more careful with this. And on the other side, coming to the food choices, it's about vegans. If you are a vegan, you get a lot of variety when it comes to food, like the kinds of milk you get. I know you get the same in India, no different, but over here it is more commonly available. Like you can find it in any random grocery store. It's not like you have to go to a specific website or a specific store in the city. So that's a good thing for my vegan friends who are coming over here. Also another thing, I'm sorry you guys, I couldn't upload videos from like last 2 weeks or something. I shot this grocery section maybe I think around good 2 weeks if I'm not wrong. And yeah, I had to take a little bit of break. There's a lot happening over here And apart from that, the break was supposed to happen when I had my live session. Some of you people might have seen it. I know it's off this video topic, but just saying, because it might be useful in another video. Maybe I'll plan making another video about this. It's called your medical experiences over here, which I have. Around 3 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, I had a tooth extraction on my right side on the top, and like it was very painful. My pain started 2 days before my live session, and I just was on painkillers throughout my live session, and some people could actually notice what was happening. And after that, my tooth extraction, and then I took my medicines, and the medicines come with their own side effects, so I was going through that. Still, I was shooting video, so I thought probably let's take a little bit of break, because sometimes, yeah, you need that kind of break. So probably we can make another video, and some people are asking me for a social security video as well. Honestly guys, it's been a long while and I'm trying to figure it out myself how it's happening right now. So if I come across it, I might make another video about it. So I'll keep you guys posted over here. Check the space regularly. I'll put up things in the description box, and whatever are your doubts and your queries, just put it in the comment section. Like this video if you like this video, share this video for people who don't know much about grocery shopping in France and are very very new over here. So hopefully it will be helpful to people, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye, take care.